Hi everyone, today let me give you an idea about the weightage of each and every section which is there in ACCA financial management paper. So these percentages that I am going to give you, it's totally based on my wave, okay? So let's get into the percentages. Let me start with the section C, which is the working capital management. For the working capital management section, I would like to give 25%. And the next section, the section D, which is the investment appraisal section. For that particular section also, I would like to give 25%. Next one is the section E, which is the business finance. For the business finance section also, I would like to give 25%. So these three sections itself, as per my wave, it will cover 75% of your syllabus. And next one is the section F, which is the business valuation. For the business valuation section, I will give 11%. Next one is the section G, which is the risk management. I will give you a 12% for this particular section. And next you have section B and section A. Section B is the financial management environment. Section A, financial management function. So for these two sections, for both the sections, in combined, I will give a 2%. And there is another one more section, which is the section H, employability, technological and employability skills. Okay, technology and employability skills. For this particular section, I am not going to give a percentage because in this section, this is a section they introduce for all the skills and professional level papers in order to enhance the technology and employability skill of the students. So if I'm giving you a rough idea, maybe like how to use the exam platform and the ACCA website and other whatever the softwares. So in order to take that into the equation only, they have introduced this section. In this section, there is nothing is there with regarding the syllabus content. So I'll just ignore it. Then if you take a total over here, 75%, and here you have a 23%, that means 98% plus 2%, it is 100% of your syllabus. So this is how I would like to give the percentage or the weight for the different sections which is there for the ACCA financial management subject. So I hope you got some kind of understanding about the weightages. Okay. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe the channel to watch something similar, these kind of videos in the future as well.